to Softical Technology. In this video, I will tell you how we are using the WordPad. Simple notes I am going to tell you why we are using and how to use it. So guys, we want to cut, copy, paste, simple basic things I am going to teach in this video. So this is a very helpful video who's ever in the new in the basic computers knowledge. So Control N, new file we are taking here. Control O, which file you want to. As you can see here, I uh, already done for you guys. This is the notes. You can see here how we are using. So why we are using Control F, Control N, Control S, all these things. Control S once save the file. Control C keyboard button we are pressing here. File, new, open, save as, print. Later on I will tell you how to use. But basic funda what you have to do. Control and why we are telling, because Control plus and suppose underscore you are putting. Control O means underscore it is putting. Control S means save file simply. Save as means Alt F8. Why we are putting here Alt? What is the funda? Alt press, then it will F. Alt, if you press Alt, it will come here. F, press Alt F, and then we have to press save as a command. So all these things we are going to tell you in this file. Control C, Control V. Control C, Control X means cut, means we have to cut the data and we have to paste it. First, before itself, we have to select some data. How you will select? Shift and arrow key. In fifth and sixth point, you can see here shift and forward arrow and shift press. This is a very important thing. Without selection, you cannot do anything in the WordPad. Find Control V where you want to paste the data. This is the Control V command. Copy means we have to want to this thing also here and this thing also here. That is the meaning of copy. We want to cut here, we want to put here, we have to select this one, shift and arrow key or end key. This one I told you, shift to fifth and sixth point is very important. Increase the font, how you will do? First we have to select it, whatever you want. Suppose you want to select this one, shift and previous arrow, control, control shift plus control shift and greater than. You want to select like that. Increase font, decrease font means select. First we have to select it, then control shift plus that. Select it. Fine. Select forward arrow or next arrow means where is your cursor. Suppose cursor is here. You can see cursor is this side. You want to select forward data or previous data. You have to see this thing. If you want to select, then we have to go shift back and arrow key, back arrow. And if you want to this one, then what you have to do, next arrow, forward arrow, we have to backslash or sorry, back arrow, and we have to select the, we have to use forward arrow. Control O N means new file. Control O open file. Control S save as. Alt F A means save as means you save means simply we are going to do anything we have to write immediately. This is the habitual Control S, Control S, Control. Why we want to save the data every time? What we are typing while typing itself we can save that. We have to press as Control S and select the text. Suppose you want to subscript. Suppose you want to S2 write here. So and some NS3. Anything you want to write here. What you have to do? Shift, select, and Control plus C. So if you want to again you want to go cursor in this project at that position itself, Control press and C. Okay. If you want to put here, what you have to do? Suppose press down. So superscript means control to X, Y, cube. How you will put the cube? First what you have to do, shift and arrow key. Simple. Shift which arrow key, which word you want to select. Select it. Control plus, control shift and plus. That's it. Undo, redo. Redo means previous doing we are doing. Undo means previous what we have done. It will again reform, cut, copy, paste. Before before removing the data or these things, we have to put the redo command. Select one word, Control V, Control I. But first we have to do select like this. then only we can press the control I. Control B, bold italic. Underline if you want to do, control U. Fine. Alignment, control E, where you want to, suppose this is the right alignment. I want to write here everything. I want to again left as, you have to put control L. You have to press control L and left alignment, find word character. How you will find it? Control F. Suppose we want to put here word. Match case. This is showing the word where it is. Like how many words you are seeing here, you can see here. Like if you want to replace also, what you have to do? Control H. Sorry. Which word you want to replace? Suppose John or video we want to replace. Which word? Suppose you have to replace here video. Replace. Fine. So right here VITOE we replace with VITO. Replace one time it will do, replace all it will come one time if you want. You want everything you have to complete, replace all. Once you have to do replace. So this is the main funda. And guys, if you want all these things, simply I am giving you examples. Bullets change you want to do, you can press here, you can do here. A, B, C, D, whatever you want, you can give here. But I told you earlier, what you have to do, we have to remove. You want to remove it now, how you will remove it? Simply we have to put again, you have to go there, none. Then it will not come. See. And color change if you want to write here, different color you want. Right? Select first. Background color like this. So you can practice in this itself. Different type of pamphlet you can use. You can use it. And paper cuttings you can use it in this format. So practice depend upon the practice. If you do practice, hope you will get 1 week or something. You know about the WordPad as well as. So thanks for watching my video. And one thing is also here. If you want to font size, type, name, something you want to change here, you can do all this. This one, what you want? This thing you can do. All these things we can do by the mouse itself. But I will tell you. I told you in this video how we'll do. We have to do uh, by shortcuts. That's it. Thanks for watching my video.